Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my January Look Fantastic box. I love this purple. It is a nice heavy thick one that we can keep for storage, but the best part is the goodies inside, so let's check it out. The Look Fantastic box is sent to me free for my honest review, which you are about to get. But if by chance you like it or you'd like to go over and check it out, I will put my link below. And with that link, you will get your first box from Look Fantastic for $1 if you sign up for a year. The beauty of signing up for a year with Look Fantastic is you only commit to the year. You don't have to pay it up front. So for your first box, it brings it down to $1. And then for the rest of the year, instead of it being $19 per month, which is what it is if you just want to sign up for it month to month, it comes down to $16 per month. Okay, let's open this up. Inside we have a great book. They come with the best books, and it always has so much information. That is because Look Fantastic is the biggest retailer in Europe, kind of like we all use Sephora or Ulta, depending on what your favorite is. That's what Look Fantastic is. They are just a retailer that does a beauty box, and they do a really good beauty box. I say this when I open my GlossyBox too. I really like these boxes because so much of the skincare that seems to come from the UK seems to bother my sensitive skin much less. I really have way fewer problems with the skincare. So when we open it up, this is all the goodies we have inside. Lots of good stuff, so let's dig in. So this is another one of the videos that I'm running a little bit behind, and if you ordered now, you would get February, not January, but I still wanted you to see January so you'd have an idea of the kinds of things that they do, because I don't know about you guys, but before I signed up for any of the boxes that I have now signed up for, I watched them for a couple months. I wanted to see if month after month it was something that I really thought I would use, because while I do get a lot of boxes, I also try a lot of this makeup. I wouldn't have started doing this if they didn't have things that I didn't use. This says New Year, same me, question mark. My answer is yes, but that's what the front looks like. And once we get inside, ooh, if we wanted to cheat, I think that's everything that's in the box. I'm gonna go past that page, so not to spoil it all. And then we have a few pages where it tells us a lot of information about each of the products. And then it starts telling us like something in here must have cica in it. And it tells us all about cica, which again, because I have sensitive skin, cica is definitely an ingredient I like seeing in products. It's really good for sensitive skin. Okay, first we have a Star Skin Nourishing Double Layer Hand Mask Gloves. Hollywood Hand Model, The Secret Revealed. And that is what that looks like. I'm trying to get the best light on that for you. And the paperwork says, a hand mask designed to hydrate dry hands and cuticles. That's awesome. Drawing on innovative double layer technology that produces a sauna effect to repair, condition, and soften even the roughest of hands, with a blend of 16 botanical extracts and oils making up the formula, your hands will appear visibly softer and more supple after just one use. And it has, I knew this was gonna happen. Did you see me start to smile when it said 16 botanical extracts? It's because like, what's the odds that once something has 16 botanical extracts in there, one of them's not licorice or grapefruit? Shea butter, goji berry, macadamia nut oil, olive nut oil, licorice, and peony roots are what they call out as being star ingredients in this. So I can't use it because it has licorice root in it, but I will find it a good home because I don't know too many people these days who wouldn't love a nice hand mask. Reaching in next, we have the SVR Hydralion. It is made in France, and I was just looking. I don't think anything on the front of this is in English except for the words made in France. Just saying. Oh look, while I was showing you guys this, I just realized that's the back, that's the front. And if you look at the front right here, it says Intense Moisturizing Cream, a la English. Okay, let's check it out. This is really good size. I would think this would be a full-size moisturizer, 40 ml. And that is what the tube looks like. And it says, a facial moisturizer perfect for soothing very dry and sensitive skin. Yay. Dermatologically proven to keep skin moisturized for up to 24 hours, hypoallergenic and formulated specifically to treat the most sensitive skin types. You guys know I am very excited about this. Well, let me read the ingredients really quickly. Why must they make them all so small? All right, woohoo! Let's try it. I can use it. That's so exciting. All right, it's a really thick cream. I didn't anticipate that coming out of the tube, but you can see it's kind of standing up on my, let me see if I can get that angle. It's so thick, it's kind of standing up on my hand. All right, let's rub that in both of them. I just wiped off my hands with a face wipe after the last video to get my swatches off, and I need to follow it with moisture almost right away. Very light scent, but it is scented. Very light, just kind of lotiony scent. It's very nice. It wouldn't bother me. It's very light. I like that a lot. Oh, it's absorbing really nicely, and oh my goodness, my hands feel so soft. After all of the words that they just used about how good this is for sensitive skin, I have to tell you, I think I'm gonna let this jump the line, and I'm gonna try this right away. I'll let you guys know how it works out. Reaching in next, I have a Grow Gorgeous, so I'm gonna guess my hair, Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. Maybe not, let's see. That is what that looks like. I'd say if it's for your hair, it's a sample. If it's for your face, it's probably full-sized. I just realized this doesn't give us any prices, so I will try and find these sold in the US marketplace, but if I can, I will try and do the currency transfer because it's not always easy to find these with US dollars. This says, it is a hair mask formulated to nourish your hair from roots to the end, getting to work overnight when your hair is its most susceptible to treatment. Your Grow Gorgeous hair mask is formulated to enhance shine, reduce frizz, lock in moisture, and leave your hair with a silky soft salon feel once styled. Even better, your hair mask is completely vegan and its formula is free from parabens, sulfates, and silicones. It says normal hair you can use it once a week, and if you're dry and damaged you can use it up to 3 times a week. And it says run a generous amount through hair, making sure you massage it into your scalp as part of your evening routine. Place hair in a bun and leave hair mask in overnight. Rinse thoroughly in the AM with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. I personally would have to find something to cover my hair with because it's so fine and wispy it would never stay up in a bun. I always say, I spin like a hot dog on one of those hot dog things all night long. I move a lot. Okay, let's take a little out and see how thick it is. It's just kind of like a regular cream. And let's see what it smells like. Because if you're gonna sleep in this, it's gotta smell nice or very light. Oh, it's very thick. Oh, I don't know that I could sleep in that scent. If you've tried this, let me know below what you think about it. I think it has a really it's kind of a chemical scent. It's not my favorite. I don't think I could wear this overnight. It is very wet though. See how it's staying very wet on the back of my hand, which makes me think that maybe your hair absorbs it. So if you did it an hour or two before you went to bed and put your hair up, by the time you went to bed, maybe it would have absorbed most of it. I'm not sure I could sleep with that scent. I will probably try it once, like maybe like when you get up early in the morning, but you know you're not gonna shower for a couple hours, give it a couple hours that way, but I don't think I could sleep with that scent. Just my 2 cents worth. Reaching in next, I have a complexion sponge. It's cruelty-free and vegan, I know that. It says So Echo by Tree Notion. There you go. I've never heard of the brand, but you guys know, and I talk about it every time I get a beauty sponge. I love beauty sponges. It's got a seal on it, so I'm gonna cut through it. I love trying them all, so I know what's the best ones out there. My favorites are still the original Beauty Blenders. I like them a lot. After that, there's an Echo Tools one that's like $4.99, and it's kind of green and it has 2 slanted sides. I choose it in my Grove Collaborative monthly haul sometimes. After that, I like the base blue ones quite a bit. We're gonna be trying this one now. All right, when we take it out, oh, it's nice and soft. I like that. It feels really nice. Sometimes they're too firm. Well, sometimes they're too firm for me. You might like them firmer than that. That's why everybody gets to be different, but this is just shaped like a regular beauty sponge. It's a nice kind of light limey green, minty green, limey minty green. The bottom of it's a little flatter than a beauty sponge, which I kind of like the idea of that. I like the way this feels. Let's see what it says. An eco-friendly makeup sponge, perfect for applying cream and liquid products all over the skin for a flawless finish, with a pointed tip to reach those hard-to-reach areas such as under the eyes and around the nose. So it's a beauty sponge, but I love that it's one I've never tried and now I get to try it. I mean, because if For me, if it replaces even one beauty blender, this alone pays for the cost of the box because I've just saved $20 in Beauty Blender. All right, reaching in next, we have a lippy. It is Matte Me from Sleek. Oh, I like Sleek. I had never heard of Sleek until I think it was in a GlossyBox. Oof, probably a couple of years ago, because I have gotten GlossyBox. I used to purchase it way before it was something that they gifted to me. I have always liked the box, and this is by Sleek. And the first thing I tried from them was a really matte neutral eyeshadow, and I didn't have a lot of hope for it. It is still near the top of my collection downstairs. I reach for that a lot. So this is Sleek Makeup Matte Me, and I have it in French Fancy. French Fancy. And the paperwork, ooh, judging from the pictures, I got the absolute one. Can you guys tell? I got this one in the middle, which is the pink one, which if I had had any choice, that's absolutely the one I would have chosen, and I'm sure it was just a luck of the draw, the box they happened to grab for me. A liquid lipstick, intense in pigment with a light texture and matte finish. In your box is one of 4 shades, all with a long-lasting color that doesn't flake or dry out throughout the day. All right, well, let's see how intensely colored this is. It's just a regular doe foot. Oh, it's really nice. I love this pinky color. That is so perfect for me. That is so much fun. I love that. And this is not an expensive brand. Like I said, it was one I had never even heard of until I started getting the GlossyBox, but everything I've tried of theirs, I have really liked, so I am ready to try that. I like that color. It's actually a little pinker on than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a little mauvier than that, but that is just a perfect spring color. And I don't know if you guys can tell, it laid down like one smooth color. It's not patchy. There's not lines of like drag lines in it. Happy. I am gonna take it off though, because I have learned if you let a matte lip dry down on the back of a dry hand, it's not coming off today. And last but not least, I got the AV Cleansing Bar Avocado and Cucumber Natural Cleansing Bar. I like that. And this was one of 2 choices you could have gotten in this last selection. You could have received this or the Verso Eye Cream number 5. That is funny because this was also a choice in our FabFitFun. This eye cream, I think it has retinol in it. I think that's why I don't use it. I am, again, super happy. So I got the pink lippy and I got the cleansing bar, which I absolutely would have chosen. This says a gentle antibacterial cleansing soap to cleanse and purify both the face and the body. Infused with calming ingredients, avocado and cucumber, which work to nourish, soften, and awaken the senses. All right, it is just a white bar of soap. I love the Dr. Botanical products. Like this is AV for avocado. I'm using an LM because it's a lemon nourishing moisturizer on my hand. Oh, it smells very clean. Just, it smells like almost like old-fashioned soap. That's amazing. I'm almost like having, you know, those sensory moments when you smell something and it takes you back somewhere. I'm not getting back to wherever it's trying to take me, but I for sure know this soapy smell. It's just a true soapy smell. I like that. I cannot wait to try it on my face. And the beauty part is, if I don't love it on my face, they say use it on your body. Okay, so that is my Look Fantastic box for January 2021. I will have my February box very soon, but I wanted you guys to see the kinds of things they put in here. Again, I will put my link below. And what that will get you is, if you sign up for a year, it will bring the monthly price down to $16 and your first month will be $1. If you have any questions, just let me know below. If I can answer them, I am happy to help. But in this box, we got a beauty sponge, a Dr. Botanical's face or body soap, the SVR face moisturizer, which is for sensitive skin, and I cannot wait to try. The Sleek Lippy, which was a perfect color for me. This has a lot in it. The Grow Gorgeous, I didn't love the scent of this, the Grow Gorgeous hair mask. Everybody will have to try it for themselves, but I don't know that I'm a fan of the scent. And the Starskin hand mask that I have to find a home for because it has licorice in it. I love it. When you talk about whether a box is worth it and what it costs versus what you pay, ultimately it comes down to what you're going to use. Beauty sponge, love getting that. Bar soap, love getting that. This sensitive skin moisturizer that I have never tried before, love getting that. A perfect pink lippy for me. I mean, come on guys. So then I have these 2 products. There's absolutely nothing wrong with either one of them. I just can't use licorice, but who else in the world wouldn't be happy to get hand masks? in the middle of winter with what we're going through. And then I'm not a huge fan of this scent. That is a great box for me, but would you have used all of these things? Let me know below what you guys think about it. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. If you could give me a thumbs up and get me out there in the algorithm, I would sure be grateful. And I will see you really soon. Bye guys.